Stock item introduction. Stock item refers to goods that you manufacture or trade. It is the primary inventory entity and is the lowest level of information on your inventory. Stock items in the inventory transactions are similar to accounting ledgers being used in accounting transactions. To record inventory transactions in TallyPrime, you have to create stock items along with applicable configurations as required by business entities. Stock item creation in TallyPrime. Create following stock items in TallyPrime. Details are stock item, stock group, stock categories, units, opening quantity. First stock item, brand A 21-inch LED TV, stock group as brand A, stock categories as LED TV, units as numbers, opening quantity 10 numbers at Andheri Godown, 12 numbers at Bandra Godown. Based on available information related to stock item master, we have to create all inventory masters in TallyPrime. To create inventory master in TallyPrime, we should access Create option under Masters from Gateway of Tally. Select Stock Item option under Inventory Masters. We can access F12 configuration to configure general details, inventory details, statutory details related to stock item creation in TallyPrime. To view more configurations, set Show More Configurations option and Show All Configurations option to Yes. We can configure such details which are needed to create stock item master in TallyPrime as per business requirements. We will accept the page as default by pressing Ctrl A. We can also access more details information on button panel to view general details and inventory details related to stock items. Further, we can click on Show More along with Show Inactive to view all the details related to Inventory Master in TallyPrime. Let's create stock item. Brand A 21-inch LED TV, stock group brand A, stock category LED TV, units, numbers, rate of duty information not available, opening balance 22, Godown Andheri, quantity 10 numbers, Bandra 12 numbers. Enter and accept. Similarly, we can create all other stock items in TallyPrime. Next stock item, brand B 32-inch Smart TV, group under brand B, category Smart TV, units, numbers, opening quantity 25, Andheri 15 numbers, Bhiwandi 10 numbers. Enter and accept. Next stock item, brand A 17A washing machine. Group under brand A, category automatic washing machine, units, numbers, opening balance 37, Andheri 20 numbers, Bandra 17 numbers. Enter and accept. Next stock item, brand B 25A washing machine. Group under brand B, category semi-automatic washing machine, units, numbers. Opening balance 47 numbers, Andheri 10 numbers, Bandra 12 numbers, Bhiwandi 25 numbers. Enter and accept. Next stock item, brand A 17-inch LED TV. Group under primary, stock category not applicable, units, numbers. Opening balance 15 numbers, available at Andheri Godown. Enter and accept. This way, we can create stock item master along with configuration in Tally Prime. To view created stock item masters in Tally Prime, we should navigate Chart of Accounts under Masters from Gateway of Tally. Select Stock Items under Inventory Masters. Here we can see total 4 stock groups along with 5 stock items. Stock group as Grade 1, which contains brand A. Under brand A, there are 2 stock items. Similarly, Grade 2 with brand B having 2 different stock items and 1 more stock item as brand A 17-inch LED TV, for which groups and categories not defined. Stock item alteration, deletion. To alter any stock item created in Tally Prime, we should navigate Alter menu option under Masters from Gateway of Tally. Select Stock Item under Inventory Masters. Here we can see list of stock items created. We can select the stock item which needs to be altered or deleted from given list of stock items. For example, brand A 17-inch LED TV. Here we can edit name of stock item, group as brand A, category as LED TV. We can alter unit of measurement as well. Unit of measurement cannot be altered if transaction is recorded for given stock item in books of accounts. We will skip this information. Along with that, opening balance, we can enter rate for each item as 10,000 rupees. Enter and accept. Similarly, we can edit information for other stock items as well from given list of stock items. For example, brand A, 17A washing machine. We need to update rate for opening balance mentioned in stock item. Enter rate for Andheri Godown 12,500. For Bandra Godown 12,550. Enter and accept. To delete stock item from given list of stock items, select desired stock item. For example, brand A, 17-inch LED TV. Press Alt-D to delete. Please note, stock item cannot be deleted if already used in any transaction. Enter to confirm delete. Here we can see deleted stock item is not available under list of latest stock items in books of accounts. So in this way, we can edit or delete stock item master in books of accounts as per requirement.